Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create automatic discounts on Shopify. And these will apply automatically to the products on your store that you select for the discount. And this includes both in cart, as you can see here. This is on the Shopify cart. This is just a random product, the Rolex Daytona. And as you can see here, the watch sale is applied automatically to the total. This is currently a 50% off sale. And if we go to the checkout page on the next page here, as you can see inside the Shopify checkout, it will also automatically apply here with the overall order discount of the watch sale. This is the automatic discount. You do not have to enter a coupon code or a discount code, and it will also display the total savings in your Shopify store as well. So in just a moment, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to add this in your Shopify store to create this discount. But before we dive into things, of course, I do want to mention, if you don't already have a Shopify store, why are you watching this video? No, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brendanvalesky.com/Shopify. It will take you right over to this page here where you can get started with a Shopify free trial. Again, that's brendanvalesky.com/Shopify. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the tutorial. So of course, first things first, you're going to want to make sure that you are, of course, logged in to your Shopify store here. And we are currently just on the homepage settings, just right here in the default page on your Shopify store. Next, you're going to come over here to the left-hand side, and you're going to click on discounts. Now, if you don't see discounts there, you can also search for discounts here, but most of you guys, you probably will have it right here, just discounts. You click that there, and we'll take you over to the discount editor. Now, as you can see here, I have already added a variety of other discounts to the store. We're going to be just focusing primarily here on the automatic discount in this tutorial. I will leave links down below in the video description to other discount related tutorials as well if you are interested in some of the other ways that you can create and add discounts on your Shopify store, because there's honestly a lot of different ways you can go about doing it. Again, this is to show it in the cart and at checkout with that total savings amount. So what you're going to do, I'm going to be walking you through what the watch sale is set up, and then we're going to be creating a brand new one from scratch as well. So we have the watch sale here. Now, the way that this discount works is it is automatic, right? And this is a total amount off of the order. Now, there's a variety of different ways that you can go about creating automatic discounts. This one I selected to be a percentage-based discount. You can select between fixed amount or a percentage. I just selected 50%. You can also set this up to be a discount on both types of products if you do have subscriptions enabled on your Shopify store, or if you just have like one-time purchases, which is probably most of you guys watching this video. Unless you've added the subscriptions app to your Shopify store, you probably won't be seeing that. But you can also apply that to both there. Next, you have the minimum purchase requirements. This is currently just set to $1, and it applies to all products on there. So you do have to set it at least to $1 at minimum, or you can also set it to a minimum quantity of items. You can also enable these to be, product discounts, order, if it can be combined with other discounts. So if you want it to be combined with things, you can also set it to be combined with other product-based discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts as well when you're looking at adding a variety of different discounts on your Shopify store. Now, I will be walking you through as well a couple of other caveats and things to keep in mind as well when you're utilizing this type of discount, because just to make things clear for your customers when they're visiting your Shopify store as well. So we currently have the watch one enabled. We're going to go ahead and actually deactivate this one because we're going to be creating a new one from scratch right now. So to create an automatic discount, I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the store. So you can see that it is, so it's still enabled. So we're just going to go ahead and take that out of the cart. We're going to go ahead and continue shopping. So what we're going to do first is going to create that discount. Now, one method or sort of discount idea you could use an automatic discount for, a lot of people would maybe use it for, is like Black Friday, where you can set it to be a certain percentage automatically applied to products at a minimum purchase amount. That's one example of a good automatic discount. That's one here in Shopify. Currently, I do not have that one active. We're going to go ahead and create one from scratch here. So what you're going to do to create one brand new, like I said, you go to discounts, you go to create discount in that upper right-hand corner. You're going to click the button that I already clicked, and then to select the discount type. These are a variety of different discount types. Now, this is technically like separate from the methodology of how this discount is applied. So automatic discounts can technically pretty much be any of these. It's just whether or not you actually want a discount code or you want it to be an automatic discount that customers don't even need to enter in a specific code for. It will just automatically apply to their cart. And then it will show in the cart as well as showing on the checkout page. So there are 4 different types of discounts. Of course, you have free shipping discount, which you can do. You have an amount off of an order, so the total order amount. If you want it to just be off the entire order, the order-based discount. Or you can do a buy X and get Y, so like buy one, get one type of deal or something like that. And it will automatically discount based on specific products. That's sort of like a mix and match type product discount. You also have the amount off of a specific product, so you can discount specific products that you type in and add to a list, or you can even select a total collection of products that you want to discount. But we're going to keep things pretty simple in this tutorial, and we're just going to go ahead and select the amount off order as a blanket total discount off of the entire order. This is probably the easiest type of discount to utilize. But of course, there are those variety of different types of discounts if you do want to select a different one. But for automatic ones, the way to make it automatic is once you've selected the type of discount that you want, now you need to select the actual method of how this discount is applied. So by default, it will be on discount code. You could obviously this tutorial, we're going to select automatic discount. So all you have to do is click automatic discount. And then this is the discount title that will be automatically applied. So we're going to say site-wide sale or something like that, right? Like site-wide sale. So maybe you just put a sale on everything in your store. Maybe you're one of those constantly like going out of business stores and you're selling electronics or something like that, right? Depending on what type of store you are, you might want to name it based on that. But this will just be the site-wide sale, and the discount value. We're going to go ahead and go with a percentage-based discount. You can also do a fixed dollar amount. I personally like percentages. That's just me. And we're going to go ahead and do that 50% just to make it really easy to see. And this is on one-time purchases, not on subscriptions. Minimum purchase requirements. So like I said, you do need to make this at least $1. Otherwise it won't work. So you do need to make it at least $1 or maybe 1 penny. You might be able to do that as well. You can also set this to be a minimum quantity of items as well. So maybe if you want hey, you need to buy a minimum purchase of at least 3 items, and it will apply automatically to all those products. Or maybe as long as you spend at least, if you spend at least $100, you get 50% off everything, which is kind of a crazy discount, but that's one way to go about doing it. So a minimum purchase of $100, if you spend $100, 50% off everything, as long as you spend at least $100 or something like that. Minimum quantity items, like I said, you could also do that as well. And you can set it to be combined with other discounts. This isn't necessarily something that most people would probably want to do because you don't necessarily want crazy discount stacking. Always keep in mind your total profit margin, because it can be very easy to stack a lot of discounts and then you're actually losing money on a sale. Maybe you do want to lose money. Maybe you're just trying to clear out inventory. Then maybe you want to do that, but that's up to you. Most people probably want to just keep it where it's, just one discount. You're not stacking 12 discounts and then you're actually going to be losing money as a store owner. So that can help kind of protect you from that, is not enabling the combinations. But if you want to and you don't care, you can go ahead and enable them here as well. Maybe you also want to include the free shipping type discount. That might be something else to select or something. I don't currently have a shipping discount enabled, so you would need at least 1 shipping discount enabled on your store. Some things, discounts too large, test a few combinations, right? As you can see here, adjust. Some combinations can result in large discounts. Warning, you might lose money now because you added accidentally too many possible discount combinations. So be careful with that, just as a fair warning. Even Shopify kind of tells you hey, be careful. You can also set active dates, so you can set a start date and an end date. Now this is fantastic if you're doing a limited time discount. So most discounts do tend to be for a specific season of the year. Maybe it's the holidays, or maybe it's Black Friday, or it's the store's birthday or something like that, right? I don't know, Labor Day sale or whatever. you can go ahead and set these start and end dates. So you can set these specific times so that when you do send out your email marketing promotions, or you just show these in a store or on your website, ends this date at this specific time. So you can set those automatically here with the discount as well for these site-wide automatic discounts, which is also a really nice feature here. You can set those active dates here. We're just going to go ahead and just leave it as, it's starting and it's never ending. It's a never ending site discount. But if you do want to start and end it, you can select that there. We're going to go ahead and click Save Discount. So this will then be active and saved on the store. So it was created successfully, so that's what we'll show. If you do get any errors, just check and make sure that you actually... probably the minimum purchase amount or minimum quantity of items. You do have to select something there. But now that we have added the site-wide sales, so as you can see here, this is for the online store, 50% off entire order, applies to one-time purchases, minimum purchase amount $100. Can't combine with any other discounts inactive from today. So this details panel will help you kind of like keep your head straight as far as what you've enabled and how the discount actually works, because there are a lot of different methods and combinations you can do here. So now we're going to go back to the store and actually see, again, what it actually looks like once you've enabled it. We're going to go ahead and just select this Rolex Daytona here as a test product. Now, this discount, do keep in mind, it will not actually show anywhere on your store actually once you've enabled it in the back end. So what I do recommend people to do is to put it in the banner of their Shopify store. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But this is crucial because if you don't actually market this in any way on your website, people would have no way of knowing just by going to your web, I just went to this, to this website. Oh, it's $7,900. Like, I don't see any discount, right? You're not going to see this type of automatic discount applied anywhere on the store. If you're wondering what this sale discount is, this is a completely separate type of applying a discount. This is actually the compare at price. I will leave a link to that tutorial in the video description, but just to keep you informed is that is a completely different type of going about doing discounts, and you're actually utilizing the compare at price to show that something is like on sale. So the way that you're doing this automatic site-wide discount, it is not going to show that it's not going to show the product sale price until someone actually adds it to their cart and adds it, and they see the cart and they see the checkout. So what I would recommend, again, like I said, add it to the site banner. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. But that's what it will look like. So just sort of as a disclaimer, you're not going to see it here until you actually go here, you click the product, you click add to cart, and then you click view cart. Then you will see, as you can see here now, the site-wide sale is the tag here is minus, half off. So it's 50%. So 7,900 is 3,950, obviously divided by 0, or divided by 2. So cut in half, 50% off, right? So you're going to see that estimated total. So you will see the estimated total. You will see the site-wide sale depending on whatever you name it. So make sure you name it something that actually kind of like makes sense. I wouldn't just name it like random discount 29. Like I would name it something actually applicable because customers will be seeing that name there too. So just bear that in mind. And then this is what it will look like. If you add multiple quantity, we're going to get a lot of watches here. So as you can see, that discount is still stacking at that 50% off price, no matter whatever is added to the cart. And then when you go to the checkout page, you click the checkout button. This is the Shopify store's checkout. Then you can see here the site-wide sale order discount is automatically applied. I did not have to type in any kind of discount code. And the total savings is shown here at $11,850 off the total price. So you see the subtotal, the site-wide sale discount, and the actual total savings. So that's what it will look like at the end of the day. Now, when you're going about marketing things and you're going to be promoting this sale, what I would recommend you do is go to edit the banner here. So we're going to go ahead and do that just to add that to this tutorial as well, to give you kind of like a full picture of how to add this discount, because realistically, like if customers don't know that there's a discount, they're just gonna be like bumming along shopping and then, oh, wow, I didn't know there was a sale like that. You're not really displaying that anywhere else on your store. So that's important. So we're going to go ahead now to edit this. Let's go back a step. To edit the banner on your Shopify store, all you have to do is come over here to the left-hand side and you're going to go down to online store. So say we're back at the home, right? We're back at the home. You're going to come over your sales channels, click online store. It will automatically take you to the themes page here. And make sure, of course, your theme is up to date. This is just, I'm utilizing the Dawn theme. Obviously, is slightly newer versions and other themes. Depending on what your theme you're using, it might look slightly different. But if you're using Online Store 2.0, it should probably look very similarly. You're going to come over here to the Customize black button here, Customize. You're going to click that button. This will take you into the theme editor. And then what you're going to do here is on the home page, you're going to see this announcement bar. This is where you can go ahead and add the discount information like on your actual Shopify store. So we're on the announcement bar. So this is the announcement bar. If you do want to change like the colors and things like that, this is where you would do it if you wanted to edit the scheme. Now the default scheme, I kind of have it set up already in a certain way, but we're just going to go to like scheme 3 just so you can kind of see your, scheme 4. You can change and edit these colors if you want to, just to make it real visible. Let's just go with scheme 5 in bright red. So you can see it very clearly, like, boom, this is clearly here. You can add the announcement. You can even add multiple announcements here if you want like multiple announcements in your announcement bar. We're just going to keep the one, but maybe if you had like multiple sales or something like that, this might be applicable to you. So maybe if you had like the free shipping, and then you see here, welcome to our store. So you could add multiple here too if you wanted to kind of have multiple different discounts. We're just going to keep it simple. We're going to go ahead and delete the welcome to our store one. And we're just going to go here, and instead of free shipping on all US orders over $35, we're going to say site-wide sale. And then we're going to go 50 percent off everything. $100 minimum. Obviously you need to, $100 minimum. So you have that as well. So however you want to go about doing it, you can put that there. You can also add stylings and specific like icons, things like that as well. If you want to add that to the text here, you can also add a link to a specific product collection. We're not going to do that because there's really no need here. But that is how you go about like promoting, hey, this is the sale. Or actually what you might want to do too is automatically, since this is an automatic discount, applies at checkout or something like that. That might be something also you might want to add on this type of discount just so that it's very clear. Or maybe you put that in the fine print of like your marketing promotion materials. If you're sending out emails, if you're giving out maybe physical media or something like that too for your site. I would make sure for this type of automatic discount, it's very clear because otherwise you're not going to really see it anywhere else on your Shopify store. But it is a really good discount because it's automatic and it just boom automatically applies in the cart and at checkout. So that's how you do it. And this can be a good way as well to sort of show, hey, like it's automatically going to add to your cart 50% off everything, automatically applies at checkout. And that's going to be in that site announcement there. In the announcement bar, that's pretty much it, right? You're going to see that in the announcement bar, and people will see it on the store when they go ahead and they go to the homepage, or really any page, I guess. If you go to like the blog, they're going to see it here too, no matter where you're going on the store. So that's pretty much how you add an automatic discount on your store. Again, it is a pretty nice discount. It can be a little tricky to make sure that people actually know that it exists. So make sure that you're putting it in your marketing promotion, put it in the site stripe, maybe even just make like a big banner too. That's something else you could go about doing, is maybe make a big image banner on your homepage that says 50% off site-wide sale everything. You see stores like Gap, Old Navy, big retail giants do tend to put like a big image banner there. So maybe put it here on your homepage too, just to make it very clear, because they're not going to see it on the actual products. They're just going to see it in the cart and at checkout. That's another idea you could do. Again, you could also add that to the banner too. That could be also something else that might help you when you're going about making sure that people know that this automatic discount is automatically applied at checkout and in the cart. So guys, that pretty much wraps up this tutorial here. I hope you found this video helpful on how to add and create those automatic discounts in your Shopify store. Again, if you don't already have a Shopify store, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brandonvalesky.com/Shopify. It'll take you right over to this page here where you can get started with your Shopify free trial. Again, that's that first link down below in the video description. If you guys found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that is all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.